How to open Bendigo Bank account. If you wish to open your Bendigo Bank account, it's fairly simple to do so. What we're going to do is we're going to launch the Bendigo Bank application on this case. And once we've launched the Bendigo app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Just tap on the Get Started button that you can see from the very bottom of the screen. And there you can see various options. Select the second option called No, I'm Not. So we want to open an account. So we'll select No, I'm Not. So we can start with an everyday account, but of course you can change that to any of the other account types that you wish. Then you can tap on the next option, followed by the next option again. So what you will need is an Australian driver's license and an Australian passport. Then you can tap on the next option. Tap on the Agree and Continue button. Just make sure to type in a mobile number, which is your Australian mobile number. Tap on the next option. After that, you can enter all of the legal details because it will give you a form that you can fill up according to your legal details, and you might also need to submit your documents for verification. Once you submit all of the documents, on the next step that is pretty self-explanatory, the bank will be able to review your request and then confirm your opening of your bank account. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.